keeping the polygons around the same size as much as possible. May not be able to get there completely, but get close. I'm skipping over the zipper just for right now. Okay, and I'll bring this down. Okay, right up to the edge here. Got a little bit of a wrinkle there. And then bring this down, and then I'll start to create a loop that goes right around the bottom of the coat. Okay, just like this. And we'll start dragging this across. And we'll go around the back and then up the back, right in the middle. If you need to, just kind of reset some of those vertices, holding Control-Alt-Shift to move them around. Okay, and let's make sure that's right in the center there, or at least close to it. And then hold Shift, and we'll just drag straight up. We don't have to be absolutely perfect on this. We just want to make sure that we're getting pretty close. Now I'm creating these edges to where they're pretty much right on these ridges. It just helps me keep things spaced pretty evenly. And then we'll go up the neck here, and we may have to add just a couple more polygons to help with that. And there we go. So there's that. Now I'm going to hold Shift and go around the collar. Okay, just like this. Control-Alt-Shift to change the direction of the polygons in which they're flowing. Come right down the side, right to about here. And I'm going to go right down the side there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click, target weld these points together. Or actually just select them and then weld. Okay, and that'll bring all of those together there. Okay, so now I've looped this around, and then now all I have to do is Control right click, Polydraw Extend, hold Alt, drag this out and create the top ridge of the coat. Okay, I'm just building that in. Now it looks like we're not getting enough geometry on there because it's kind of cutting through. That's okay, because we're making this lower polygon. We're just retopologizing this. So don't get too caught up if it's not adhering to the shape itself. There's a lot of chaos going on in the wrinkles and things like that. And we have to just trust in our model and then just basically go along the major edges that we see. Okay. All right, so there's that ridge. We can go down this if we want to, so hold down Shift. And I'm going to go down into the coat. I'm not going to build the entire inside of the coat, but I'm going to get as close as possible. I'm going to hold down Control and remove that polygon. I'll go around the inside here. Okay, and I'm going to end. Oops, watch out for those edges there. I'm going to end right up here. So put that one right there. And then Control-Alt and bridge across. Move those vertices where they need to go, because we will probably see down into the coat. Okay, so we want to make sure that we add those polygons on the inside there, just in case. All right, so there's that. Okay, so what I've done at this point essentially is I've created a good set of loops for this jacket, the major loops that need to be there in order to make this jacket deform and model it properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this edge right here, and I'm just kind of thinking about where that center is actually. And I'm going to hold Shift, I'm going to drag up from here, and I'm just going to follow that seam right up the middle. Okay. Trying to stay close to those ridges just to kind of space it out a little bit easily, or a little bit easier, I should say. Okay. and then we're going to go up one more. This is around where the armpit will be. Okay, and then I'm going to hold shift, drag this out to here, and then I'm going to go around the edge of the arm. Okay, and I'm going pretty quickly here, so remember your keyboard shortcuts for using the Polydraw Extend. If you need to refresh on those, it's Shift to drag out an edge, Control Alt Shift to move individual vertices, and then